Starting with my potatoes. I'm making some thick cut French fries or potato wedges, whatever you want to call them. I'm using russet potatoes. Let's get these in the garbage. I'm going to bake these in my toaster oven, so I'm going to lightly oil these with some olive oil, some salt, pepper, tossing my potatoes around a bit just to make sure it's nice and mixed, and we got that oil, salt, and pepper everywhere. Now I'm going to put them in my little baking pan for my toaster oven. I lost my tongs, so I'm just working with what I got. They're not perfect, but they're gonna be delicious. Just giving my garlic a rough chop. For this amount, I'm just doing 2 hot dogs. I'm just going to chop them like this. Toss them in my pan. Coconut oil. Just a bit of salt and pepper for taste. Tossed it around a bit, make sure my coconut oil is fully melted. I'm going to cook this until my hot dogs have a bit of crispiness to them. This is exactly what I'm looking for. A nice golden char on my dogs. My onions are looking pretty good to go. So now I'm going to add my canned chili. You could use whatever chili you like. I like to add just a bit of fire roasted diced tomatoes with green chilies. I just feel it makes it bring out the flavor, and it doesn't taste so much like a canned chili bean that I'm using. Just a bit, not too much. Make sure you give this some mix. I turn my heat up. I'm going to bring this to a boil for about a minute or 2 and then turn it down to simmer. Let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes and then you're good to go. Don't forget to add just a bit of salt and pepper to bring out that taste. It makes a huge difference. Now I'm going to turn it down, let this simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. I already have my baked French fries or potato wedges in my bowl. I'm going to start with adding a bit of cheese to my fries. Now I'm going to add my chili and hot dogs. You could put this in a crock pot and slow cook it and just have it ready. This is something the whole family could enjoy. It really tastes good. Adding the rest of my cheese to the top of my chili. Just get a bit more chili to set on top of that. My final touch is some Parmesan Reggiano. This is optional, but it has a lot of flavor and it tastes really good. So try it out. You might like it. This is so easy to toss together. Try it out. You're going to love it. And I'll see you in my next upload.